Well, the drama is heating up again, and this time Donald Trump has set his sight on Spain. That's right, the US president, known for his very fiery statements, he has reportedly warned that if Madrid does not increase its defense spending, well, he might boot Spain out of NATO and even think it with punishing the trade tariff. So, what really sparked this feud? Let's talk about that. Trump wants every NATO country to spend about 5% of its GDP on defense, a sharp jump from the alliance's long-standing 2% goal. While countries like Poland and the UK, they have rushed to meet this particular demand, Spain says that new target is simply unrealistic for them. Spanish officials argue that their economy and defense industry it is still recovering from years of financial strain, and they can't just double their military budget just overnight. But of course, classic Trump, he isn't buying that. He has called Spain disrespectful and accused the country of taking the United States protection for granted. He also hinted that if Spain does not fall into the line soon, tariffs on Spanish goods, be it olive oil or be it automobiles, well, anything can be next. So basically that means a trade war might be brewing right in the heart of Europe. But you know what? Behind the fiery language, however, lies a much bigger question. Is NATO becoming Trump's personal business club? Well, Trump reportedly scolded European nations for not paying their fair share, claiming that America's shoulder they are too much of NATO's cost. Now, with global tensions rising, from Russia's aggression to instability in the Middle East, Mr. Trump seems to be all ready to use money as a weapon once again. In the meantime, Spain is standing firm. Their Prime Minister, Mr. Pedro, his government says that Madrid will not bow to bullying tactics, reminding everybody that Spain contributes troops, intelligence, and databases that are very important to NATO operations. Well, European leaders are quietly nervous right now. They are just thinking that whatever the US president just said, if it is implemented, then it can start a Cold War, and that too within NATO. So for now, the message from Madrid, it is loud and clear. We are not Trump's soldier, but the message from Trump, it is even louder. Pay up or pack up. So, will this be another trade tantrum that fades away or the start of a real showdown inside NATO? Ladies and gentlemen, the world is watching because if Trump actually makes good on his threat, it could shake the very foundation of the Western alliance.